Japan turns the modern Toyota GR86 into an AE86 throwback. The Neo86 transforms the Toyota 86 with 80s-style pop-up headlights, widened fenders, and a nostalgic look, debuting at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2026. Result Japan launched an AE86-inspired styling kit for Toyota 86. The kit adds pop-up headlights, custom fenders, and new bumpers. The Neo86 debuts at Tokyo Auto Salon and will go on sale soon. They might not look like it, but the original Toyota 86 and the newer GR86 both trace their roots back to the AE86 Trueno of the 1980s, keeping alive its rear-wheel drive character and lightweight, agile feel. What they don't preserve, however, is one of the most recognizable visual cues of the original, the pop-up headlights. That's where Japanese tuner Result Japan steps in, offering a new styling kit that effectively rewinds the aesthetic clock. Instead of a straight-up restomod, think of this as a modern car dressed in retro cues, a sort of reverse-engineered homage. The so-called Neo86 kit reimagines the front end with a flat hood, functional pop-up headlights, and a vintage-style bumper. Finished in black, the bumper houses yellow indicators and fog lamps that nod to the AE86's late 20th century vibe. The kit continues with widened front and rear fenders, further emphasized by glossy black bolt-on extensions. A chin spoiler and matching side skirts complete the profile. The demo car wears black and white livery, accentuated by a set of retro-styled wheels that nod directly to the AE86's original 8-spoke alloys. Despite the changes, the rest of the body retains the smoother, more rounded curves of the Toyota 86 platform. Still, Result Japan has added a few touches to tie the rear into the overall theme. These include a Ducktail spoiler, aftermarket LED taillights, and a reshaped rear bumper framing twin exhaust pipes. While the Neo86 package is primarily aesthetic, it can be easily combined with performance and chassis upgrades. Out of the box, the Toyota 86 is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter flat-4 boxer engine, producing 197 horsepower, 147 kilowatts/200 horsepower, sent to the rear wheels via either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. 2026 on January 9th. Where Result Japan will open pre-orders. Pricing details are still under wraps, but that should change once the covers come off at the show. According to Result Japan, the kit won't be limited to domestic buyers. The company plans to offer it worldwide, and judging by the prototype, it appears to be compatible with a wide range of models, including the Toyota 86, GT86, Scion FRS, and the first-generation Subaru BRZ.